Today we're going to talk about the difference between possessive pronouns and contractions. Now you use possessive pronouns every day when you're talking, and you use contractions when you're writing and you want to do an abbreviated form of two words. But a possessive pronoun shows ownership. So possessive means I own it, it's mine. And a pronoun takes the place of a noun. So instead of saying Mrs. Hall's computer, I would say her computer. So her would take the place of Mrs. Hall. So a possessive pronoun that we might often confuse with a contraction would be your. So if it is your computer, you own it, it's yours, it's Y-O-U-R. Now there's a contraction for your, and it looks like this because it really stands for you are. Now if I'm saying it's your computer, that doesn't mean it's you are computer, right? So when you are showing ownership, you want to make sure you use the right your. This one's a contraction, like you're 10 minutes late. That would be you are 10 minutes late. So when you're reading your sentences, put the contraction into the two words and see if you're using the right word. So here's another one. It's. The dog lost its toy. The dog owns the toy, so we use its. That's a possessive pronoun because it's ownership. Now here's the other, it's for contraction. It's. That stands for it is. So it's 1 o'clock already. That means it is 1 o'clock. But this it's does not show ownership. It doesn't own anything. This one does. This is your possessive. It shows ownership. Another one is their. It's their pencil, their book, their house. They own it. Their shows ownership. Here's the contraction there. And that stands for they are. They're our neighbors. They are our neighbors, but it's their house. That shows ownership. They own their house, but you wouldn't use the same word for that sentence. So their shows ownership, their house. They're our neighbors. They are our neighbors. So read your sentence. When you're deciding between a possessive pronoun or a contraction, take that contraction, break it up into its two words, and see if it still makes sense in that sentence. If it doesn't, then you need to use the possessive pronoun.